How to play offline music in Spotify. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Spotify on a device. If you have pre-downloaded music on a device, tap on the profile at the top left corner. Now go to settings and privacy. Now tap on apps and devices. Now scroll down. Now enable the toggle for local audio files. Now simply go to your library. Now tap on local files. Tap on add audio. Now give the permissions. Now you can play offline music from this page. If you want to play offline music from Spotify playlist, simply tap on Premium at the bottom right corner. Now subscribe to Premium. Now when you are subscribed, go to any music, tap on the music and tap on the download button. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.